Huh?
She don't have nappy.
Can you do beard now? I need to do my beard. Can I do that now? Okay, good girl. Thank you.
Tapos lang namin mag-ano. Bakit ang... Wait lang. In Zoom? No, it's not Zoom. Yeah. That's normal. Sabi ni Jowa, yung aking previous vlog daw, ang taba-taba ko daw doon. Yung na-meet up ko si si Queen si Queen Beyonce. Taba ko daw doon sa video. What is this, anak? No, it's dead. It's dead. Need to charge. Later. Okay? Okay, later. Put it back there, please. Thank you. What are they looking for? Why you ask me? Where did you put your scissors? Babe, I didn't touch your scissor, babe, okay? I thought you have your own scissor. Where did you put? I didn't even touch. Napaso ako. Ang sakit. Magja-gym pa naman ako mamaya. Paano ako makakahawak ng maayos sa Paano ako makakagrip? Napaso kasi na bad trip ako. Tapos yung bad trip ko na-aksidente kong i-touch yung kawali. Where?
I don't know.
Where did you put, babe?
I kept it in my pouch all the time. It's
Your
always
pouch?
there.
We never touch your pouch.
Right? The other side is probably- Use this one.
Do. So maggugupit tayo ng kanyang balbas daw. May bayad to.
Hey, be careful.
Yes.
This is right next to her ears. Oh, that's one. That's one. Yeah, boo boo.
And Daddy, we're gonna trim Daddy's beard. Beardy. Okay? We're gonna trim the beardy.
Not too much. Be careful.
You later. Mama will let you borrow my phone. Clean up your mess. Come on. Then Mama will give you ice cream. You want ice cream? Oh, you have to clean up your mess. I told you when you make a mess, you have to clean up. Come on. Go. Do it now. Clean up now. Clean up. Anak, clean up now.
See what she's doing.
No, you have to get one by one, Anak. You can't do that. Get one by one. Put in your, your table. Come on, put it back, everything. Kalat pa more. Yan na. Huh? What more? Yeah, you clean up. Come on. Clean up your mess.
You made a mess, darling. You need to clean all your mess.
Clean up that. Come dali. Mama will give you ice cream. There. Put on the table inside. Oh, that's good job. Well done. There's more. Yeah, there's a lot to pick up, anak. Come on. Daddy will help you. Come on. Put on the table, Ayana. Sana yung taong yun. Ayun yung isang jowa. Naglalakad doon sa kabilang side. Ang tigas ng ulo. Sabi ko, wag mag-shortcut. Nag-shortcut talaga siya. Ayun. Punta siya sa kaibigan niya. Ako naman punta sa gym. Mag-exercise na ngayon kasi today is Monday. And tomorrow may kainan. Kailangan mabawasan yung taba ngayon.